What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound problem on PUBG Mobile. To fix this problem you should follow some easy steps. Open the settings of your phone first, click on apps option and search for PUBG Mobile and click on it like this. After that scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache right now and back, click add for, stop here, click OK. Go to your Play Store or App Store, update PUBG Mobile, restart now your device, and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and bye.